Hello everyone, it's your girl ItsDymaeshia, and today I'm going to be doing a fairy makeup look only using the Colourpop Tinkerbell makeup collection. And if you guys haven't seen my previous video, make sure you guys go there and leave a like for your girl for that video of me reviewing the Colourpop Tinkerbell makeup collection. So make sure you guys check that out. Also make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and leave that notification bell on for new uploads every week. And it's going to be some review videos coming soon for this October, so it's going to be a fun video, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that video and also leave a like for this video. And without further ado, let's get this makeup tutorial started. Now, as you can see, after I finish applying my Fenty Beauty Foundation, I'm going to be applying my EYELINER Cosmetic London Brow Palette in the color of Mid Brown, just to start with my eyebrows. Next, I'll be applying the LA Girls Pro Concealer in the name of Toast, and I will be applying around my eyes and just applying it towards my eyebrows just to give it a little more of that fleek look, and apply onto my forehead, down my nose, and underneath my eye, and basically around my mouth just to cover up some spots here and there, and blending it with a sponge. Next, I'm going to be applying the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Mini Instant Retouch Setting Powder, name of Banana, and just be setting it around my underneath my eye and around my forehead and with my chin and a little side of the corner of my lips, just to give it a little bit of that brightness. Now moving towards the eye, I'm going to be using the Colourpop Tinkerbell collection, using one of their products, which is Sparkle Magic Shadow Palette, using the name of Sleep. Now I'm going to be applying it in the corner of my eye and blending it through for a little bit. The next color I'm going to be using, which is a dark green color, which is the name of Awake, and I'm going to be blending it through with another lighter shade that I apply onto my eye, just to blend it through, just create like an ombre look. Moving on to another product I'm using is the LA Girl Pro Concealer named Toast, and I'm going to be applying onto my eyelid just to create a cut crease, and we'll be applying the colors on top of it just to give it that cut crease look. Now going back to the palette, I'm using Awake and Sleep just to blend it through and create that ombre look, going from dark to light. Now going for the shimmer, I'm using the Believe in Fairy Super Shock Shadow in the name of Straight to Morning. I'll be applying it on top of Sleep that I'm going to be covering up with the eyeshadow. Now going back to the palette, I'm using the name of Pixie Dust. I'm going to be topping it off with an extra glitter on the eyelid, just give more of the shimmer look. Another shadow I'll be using is the name of Neverland. I'm going to be adding a little shimmer around the dark green of the corner of my eye. Just add a little bit of the detail and add a little bit more shimmer look to the cut crease. Another product I'll be using from the collection is the Super Shock highlighter in the name of Happy Thoughts, and I'm going to be applying it in a corner of my eye just to create of that cut crease, good magical look. Now going back for the eye, I'm going to be using the shade name of Awake, and I'm just create a dark depth of the cut crease look and just to create the liner. Another product I'm going to be using for the collection is the cream gel pencil in the name of Fly With Me, and I'm going to be using this color just to create a little bit more of an ombre with the liner, also to go with the cut crease look. Just to add also shimmer on top of it. And the other product I'm using is the Super Shock shadow name of Straight Onto Morning just to create a little shimmer. And we'll be applying the LA Colors Big Lash Mascara, and just to prep to get myself prepared applying for the lashes I'll be using, which is the Yalorde lashes in the name of Y12, and just apply onto my lashes. Now moving on to bronzing, I'll be using the Fenty Beauty Stalk'R Instinct Warm Bronzer in the name of MOCHA MAMI, and I will be bronzing around my nose and around my face to give more of that warm look. And moving on to the blush side, I'll be using one of their collection products, which is the Super Shot blush in the name of Darling. And when I apply this onto my cheek, it really came out really nice, and then it has a little shimmer. And for highlighter, I'm using the Super Shot highlighter in the name of Happy Thoughts, and just to apply around my nose and around my eyebrows. And the highlighter came out really nice and creamy, and the formula is really creamy, so I highly recommend y'all to be really delicate with these products because they're really soft. Now moving on to the lip, I'm using the lip combo of the Maybelline Line Express pencil liner, which is in the shade of brownish black, and using the Tinkerbell collection, which is the glossy lip stain in the name of Tinkerbell, and just to give that red pinkish undertone to the lip. And the last product I'll be using is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray to set off my makeup. And there you guys have it, which is the fairy makeup look using only the full face of the Colourpop Tinkerbell collection. And like I said, if you guys haven't seen my previous video, make sure you guys check out my review video for that makeup collection. And leave a like for that video, and also make sure you guys leave a like for this tutorial, and subscribe to my channel and leave that notification bell on for new uploads every week. And new uploads is going to be coming up for this October. Make sure you guys stay tuned for those videos coming up. It's going to be really fun, really awesome. And see you guys next time, and bye.